from my side, and we almost got ran over by a train.
Oh my goodness. Well, the question of the day is, what was your favorite childhood toy? Okay. Oh, except I still need to zoom in. So today we're doing our last bit of analysis over our story song. So last bit. This we're doing, so beginning, middle, and end. So remember in our Seth Rudetsky video, he talked about you always need to have a beginning, middle, and end. And that's not just an audition cuts. You need to do this for real too, because it makes it interesting. And so a way to think about this is when we watch really good monologues and the character's angry, they're not shouting the entire time. They're differentiating and doing a beginning, middle, and end. So like if your character is sad the whole song and they're just like the whole song, boring. So we went to make a beginning, middle, and end. And the way we do this in theater is rather than saying like, I mean, at beginning, we'll say you want to feel this way at the beginning, feel this way in the middle, feel this way at the end. But really what you want to start talking about is tactics. What tactic are they using to try and get what they want? So let's say I want Izzy to clean her room. And I'm singing a song about how mad I am that she's not cleaning her room, or I'm trying to get her to clean her room. And if I just shout for 3 minutes, clean your room, it's not interesting to watch. It's like you're just yelling, stop it. But if I'm like, start off and it's like, I'm mad about this, but I'm going to keep it contained. So my tactic is I'm going to first try to be reasonable. Izzy, would you please clean your room? It's been some time and I've asked you a few times, can you please clean your room? And she's like, no. So then I'm going to try again. The second time, maybe my next tactic is bribery. And then I'm like, Izzy, if you clean your room, I'll do this. And then the last one, that's still not working. And then it's shouting. And so the last one is shouting. But point is, you want to use different tactics. So today, you're going to copy and paste your lyrics in this section. And you're going to divide your lyrics into beginning, middle, and end. And you can make more than 3 sections. Like if you feel like your song needs like 5 tactics, totally down with that, but you have to have at least 3. So if you want to add another one, all you have to do is click in the last box and then hit tab and it'll add another one. And then over here, it's how does your character feel in each section and how are they trying to get what they want? So what tactic are they using? So like, let's say your character is really, really, oh no, it stopped showing. Maybe your character is really, really sad, but they're crying. Is it going to be what they're going to do the whole time? So maybe their first tactic is they're trying to show that they're trying not to cry. They're trying to get their information across, calm, cool, and collected, and they're trying not to cry. And then the second one, they're kind of starting to break down. And so then their tactic is trying to actually show their emotions. And maybe the honesty of the emotions will break through to them. And then maybe the third section is they still didn't hear what I was trying to say. And now we're cutting off the emotion. So you know what? I'm cutting you off or whatever. So try to find those 3 different things. And I am more than happy to help you if you need me to, because I can go over it with you and we can kind of flesh it out. But kind of like think about if this is a monologue, if the person was saying these words instead of singing them, how would I want them to act? Like what would they be doing in my head and kind of carrying forth through that? Does that all make sense? Cool. Any questions? Okie dokie. All we here.